Want to replace the circuit board of your air conditioner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new circuit board. Step 1. Remove the casing. First, unscrew the screws on the front and sides. Then remove the filter from the appliance. Next, unscrew all the screws at the back. Remove the water stop if necessary. Carefully lift the casing and take it away. Step 2. Remove the old circuit board. Remove the cover of the circuit board and disconnect all cables. You can take a photo for reference during reassembly. Unscrew the screw holding the circuit board in place and take it out. Step 3. Install the new circuit board. Place the new circuit board where the old one was and screw it back in. Reconnect all cables to the correct spots. Put the cover back over the circuit board and screw it in again. Step 4. Put the casing back. Put the casing back on the appliance. Screw all screws at the back, sides, and front back in. Replace the filter and reinstall the water stop if needed. You've replaced the circuit board and your air conditioner is ready to use again.